Hi friends. If the sound icon on your Windows 11 PC or laptop is showing across, or the speaker icon is missing, and your sound isn't working, don't worry, you can fix it easily. So without wasting time, let's get started. Method 1. Run Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen. If the speaker icon is visible, right-click it and select Troubleshoot Sound Problems. A small pop-up window will appear, and Windows will automatically detect and try to fix audio issues. If the speaker icon is missing, click the Windows icon, type Troubleshooter, and open Troubleshoot Settings. Click Additional Troubleshooters, and click Run the Troubleshooter. Follow any on-screen instructions while Windows scans and fixes the issue. Method 2. Check speaker settings. Right-click the speaker icon and select Sounds. If the icon is missing, open Start and type Control Panel. Then here choose View by Small Icons and select Sound. Go to the Playback tab. Find your speaker device. If it's disabled, right-click it and choose Enable. Select it and click Properties. In the Properties window, Levels tab. Make sure the volume is not muted. Enhancements tab. Click Restore Defaults. Advanced tab. Click Restore Defaults. Click Apply, then OK. Method 3. Reset Audio Settings. Right-click the speaker icon and select Open Volume Mixture. Here you will see Reset option. Click Reset to restore all sound settings to default. Restart your computer to apply changes. Method 4. Update or reinstall the audio driver. Right-click the Windows icon and open Device Manager. New window will open. Here you will see Sound, Video, and Game Controllers option. Expand it. Right-click High Definition. Audio device and select Update Driver. A pop-up will appear. Click on Search automatically for drivers. After it's done and the problem still persists, right-click the device again and select Uninstall Device. Restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the audio driver. Final solution. If the sound still doesn't work, download the latest audio driver from your laptop or PC manufacturer's website. HP users, visit the HP driver website. Dell users, visit the Dell driver website. Enter your laptop or PC model or serial number, download the audio driver, and install it. This should fix the issue completely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Resolve for more Windows fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching.